You never want to hear those words. You have breast cancer. It's just not something you sign up for. But at Riverside Methodist Hospital, there's someone ready to take your hand and help. Tonight in Think Breast Health, how patient navigators can make all the difference in treating cancer. What a shock for Deb Ubry after her very first mammogram.
They said, you know, you just have some calcifications, come back in and have another mammogram. So I went in the next day, and then the radiologist called me in and said, you know, we need to follow up on this.
She did. It was breast cancer. Deb had 3 lumpectomies, but that wasn't enough. She turned to breast health nurse and patient navigator Kathy Stydnicki at Riverside Methodist Hospital for some extra help.
I say it all the time, none of these women volunteered for what they're going through. And it's a navigator program to help provide primarily education and support.
Patient navigators have one goal: to make things easier for breast cancer patients, helping them with diagnosis, treatment, and support groups. Kathy is someone to lean on with a shoulder to cry on. She's helped hundreds of cancer patients.
It came home to my own house. My own sister was diagnosed with breast cancer last year, and it was almost as if this job helped to prepare me to help her.
For Deb, having a patient navigator helped her feel more in control and sure of her decisions.
I always had that reassuring voice say, this is what's going on, now this is what you need to know. It was a real person to talk to.
Deb moved forward with a bilateral mastectomy and is back to living her life.
I feel great. I feel great. I teach school, I'm very active, I exercise all the time, but I feel healthy and very confident about what I did.
And cancer-free?
Cancer-free.
Ellie Merritt, NBC4. And today is January 4th. On the 4th of each month, NBC4 reminds you to think breast health. NBC4 partners with OhioHealth to remind you to perform your monthly self-breast exam, and if it's time, ladies, make that appointment for your mammogram. For more information, head to NBC4i.com.